Hello everyone, this is Rishi Ghosh from Mphasis Camp, back again with regular updates of job notification, be it IT jobs, diploma jobs, government jobs or any other job notification. We also provide you with regular announcements of off-campus job or walking jobs held in all over India. Today in this video, here I am with the latest announcement of the Mphasis Job Vacancy 2023, hiring freshers as associate. If you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe, like, share and comment down any queries, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon for more further updates. Mphasis is an international IT and consulting services company in India. Mphasis has announced a variety of job options for the applicants, and the candidates who are interested can apply from the registration link which have been given in our description box, and all the candidates are requested to go through the detailed information before applying for the post. Candidates having a bachelor's degree or a diploma can apply for this post with an experience of 1 to 2 years from the batches of 2021 to 2023. The job location will be Bangalore, and the candidates can expect the salary up to 8.7 lakh per annum. Candidates need to look after the salary benchmarking, analysis of the cost and services of data, process payroll related activities, and also analyzes the data usage on budgets and reports. Keep abreast with new trends and best practices in the industry. Conduct periodic audits and also present reports. Familiarity with employment rules and regulations. Manage enrollment, complement, and also the management of the programs. Should have good interpersonal and communication skills. So hurry up and fill the registration form as soon as possible and get enrolled in one of the leading IT services company. I hope this video was useful to you. So thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for more further updates. This is Rishi Ghosh from Mphasis Camp. We'll be back again with regular updates of job notification from all over India. Till then, see you.